My name is Noah Gates and I work in the warehouse as a support. Well, without us, the crews wouldn't really be able to do much. They wouldn't be able to do their job without us. We supply them with all of their tools to do the job, including their hand tools like a wage axe or their pumps and chainsaws. Yeah, it's a pretty busy day when things are really going. A lot of moving parts, so you got to be diligent and definitely good to be able to multitask and keep a level head. Don't spin when it's getting busy. It's honestly been a pretty good experience though. Yeah, you meet a lot of cool people. You get to feel a part of the community and really feel the effects of your efforts. Definitely helping the Albertans, especially on a season like this. It was really cool to be able to help in any way possible, really.